Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to play Rematch with a controller on your PC. Super easy and quick. First, open Steam and at the top left, click Steam, then go to Settings, choose Controller, and make sure to enable all controller types. Once that's done, you can close Settings. Now if Rematch isn't on Steam, no problem. Just click Add a Game at the bottom left, then choose Add a non-Steam game and find your Rematch game in the list and click Add selected programs. Next, go to your library and select Rematch. You should see a small controller icon next to the play button. If you don't see it, your PC might not be detecting your controller. Just unplug it and plug it back in. Click the controller icon, make sure Steam input is enabled. Then go to Gamepad and choose your controller layout. Once you've applied it, go back and you're all set to play. If it still doesn't work, you can try using third-party controller software. They're easy to install and fix most issues. And that's it, you're ready to play Rematch with your controller. Leave a like if this helped you out.